Get you a look right now at our debris tracker, and I said I wanted to wait another scan to see what happened, and this is exactly why the debris tracker is so important. Right now, it looks like we have debris south of Heathrow working over Markham Woods Drive, about to cross over I-4. This is not a good situation for I-4. I mean, it's towards the end of the commute, but we know it's spring break in Central Florida. There are so many people driving into Central Florida. You have flying debris on I-4. That's not good. On top of that, this is a very populated area in Seminole County. We have schools that hopefully are in their tornado safe place right now, because it looks like we do have a tornado on the ground. We are getting radar confirmation by our debris tracker, which is what we're seeing at the moment, but we are not getting actual confirmation from any sort of trained spotter. So this alone would lead me to believe that we actually have a tornado on the ground south of Heathrow, crossing over I-4, moving over to Lake Mary. Heathrow, Lake Mary, in your safe place now. Check this out, the latest scan of the radar and that debris tracker. We're starting to get blues in there. There is debris right over I-4. Okay, so in the back, I-4 around the Heathrow, Lake Mary exit. If we could try to find a camera, I don't know if if maybe that is one that's already popped up. Okay, so this is the camera right here. This is going to be the Lake Mary exit on I-4, and we have heavy rain on top of that. Most likely tornado debris over I-4 working over to Lake Mary. Lake Mary in your safe place now. Heathrow in your safe place now. If this holds together, eventually making its way towards Sanford. But Lake Mary, I want you in your safe place at the moment. Hey, Cam, can we zoom in? Oh, actually, yes. Great. Let's.
Communities that are next, because that is an impressive debris ball, Kellyanne.
I haven't not seen this since we did hurricane coverage.
Yes.
And typically we don't even see this in hurricane coverage. So this is a very significant event that's happening right now in Seminole County.